Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Song Abundance in Millets featuring Prime Minister Narendra Modi nominated for a Grammy Award. MSME sector achieves significant milestone by generating over 15 crore employment opportunities. Government advises against calls threatening disconnection of mobile services. MBOs to adopt new curriculum and textbook, says Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma. And 8th National Ayurveda Day observed by IA Ayurvedic Medical College at USTM. Now the news in detail. A song on millets featuring Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been nominated for a Grammy Award in the Best Global Music Performance category. The song highlights the health benefits and the government's effort to promote the nutritious cereal. The song Abundance in Millets celebrates the International Year of the Millets, which was declared by the United Nations this year. It is composed by Mumbai-born singer-songwriter Falguni Shah and her husband, who is a singer, Gaurav Shah. The micro, small and medium enterprises MSME sector has achieved a significant milestone by generating over 15 crore employment opportunities. Union MSME Minister Narayan Rane announced this through a social media post. He highlighted the important role of the Udyam portal in facilitating this achievement, with the registration of over 3 crore MSME units on the Udyam portal. Out of these 3 crore registered MSMEs, more than 41 lakh are women-owned MSMEs. Pakistan's recent ceasefire violations along the line of control, LOC, and incidents of firing on the international border are a breach of bilateral agreements, the Ministry of External Affairs said yesterday. Arindam Bakshi, MEA spokesperson, replying to a question on incidents of ceasefire violations by Pakistan, said that such incidents of ceasefire violations and cross-border infiltration, sometimes done with drones and with firing, are violations of bilateral agreements, and we always raise and take up these matters with Pakistan. The government has advised everyone not to share any personal information if receiving calls threatening disconnection. Department of Telecommunications yesterday issued a public advisory on malicious calls. The Department of Telecommunications is the nodal agency for formulating policies and regulatory frameworks for the telecommunications sector in the country. Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma informed that in order to bring the standard of state education system, MBOs will have a new curriculum and textbook in days to come. He informed that the Textbook Review Committee has recommended that subjects like mathematics, science, English and social science, the state should adopt NCERT textbook with contextualization with the state environment. The minister said the same has been proposed to the state government, who will take it up in the cabinet meeting on November 16th.
The committee has recommended and proposed to the government to take a call to certain subjects like the mathematics, science and English and social science, that we should adopt the NCERT textbook with contextualization with the state environment. We are putting up this proposal to the government, and on 16th cabinet will decide on this, and will definitely take a call for the interest of our students.
The IA Ayurvedic Medical College, IAMC, and University Hospital of Ayurveda and Naturopathy, UHAN, at the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, yesterday celebrated the 8th National Ayurveda Day by organizing yoga sessions, rally, lecture on Ayurveda, and puja offering to the god of medicine, Shri Shri Dhanvantari. Professor Dr. O.P. Gupta, retired Government Ayurvedic College and Hospital, Guwahati, delivered a lecture on the theme Ayurveda for One Health.
Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You have to change your entire personality. And sometime there may be a person come in front of you who you have no any single penny, lot of paisa nahi. So this is great contribution of Ayurveda. Ayurveda is making people for doing more ethical physician rather than professional physician.
The Don Bosco Technical School held a two-day Expo 2023 at the Institute premises from November 9th. It is also a year of jubilation as the Institute celebrates its centenary year of establishment. Principal of Don Bosco Technical School, Father Arcadius Puwen, said the Expo will be of immense help to the students who are venturing into a world of creativity and innovation. He said that there are many success stories, and he further informed that past pupils from the Institute seek skilled students for various works.
I livelihood freedom meki but kami tang naga egba gingdar po syllabus nomor kini khna ai gidon naga jonga syllabus ni hapan pendapat kumga government of India te kani expo pat ka long ai widen yaga ye juk khachu khna but ni iba dangi page gini gi exhibit bagi khna ki wanra ki long sha ki ege balong creative but yarab yu khna ban khat kham jingai kham jilu yaga jim training joki.
Amidst the Diwali dazzle, Meghalaya is in festive mood to celebrate the Festival of Lights. Markets were seen buzzing with people as they prepared to celebrate the festival in a grand way. On today, which is the Dhanteras, people were seen buying diyas, flowers, crackers, jewellery and other items. Meanwhile, the District Magistrate of East Khasi Hills has clamped restrictions on sale and bursting of fireworks in the district as Diwali will be celebrated tomorrow.
इस बार बहुत अच्छा है मार्केट। इस बार मार्केट का जो भीड़ है, जो जोश है आदमी लोगों में, बहुत बढ़िया है, बहुत अच्छा है कि ये इसी तरह से हर साल चले तो मज़ा आ जाए।
The Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority MSLSA, in collaboration with High Court Legal Services Committee Shillong and District Legal Services Authority East Khasi Hills District, held an observation of Legal Services Day 2023 on 9th November 2023 at Kongtong Village. Speaking on the occasion, N.I. Dakar MJS Chief Judicial Magistrate cum Secretary District Legal Services Authority East Khasi Hills District highlighted on the provisions of the POCSO Act 2012 and Juvenile Justice Act 2015. In the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup, the match between Australia and Bangladesh is underway at Pune. Australia won the toss and decided to bowl. At the end of the first innings, Bangladesh set a target of 307 runs for Australia. Chasing the target, Australia managed to achieve the target of 44.4 overs and defeated Bangladesh by 8 wickets. In the second match between England and Pakistan at Kolkata, England won the toss and opted to bat. At the end of the first innings, England scored 337 runs for the loss of 9 wickets in 50 overs. The weather report. The maximum temperature was 21.8 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 10.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 45%, while in the evening was 49%. The forecast: dry weather is most likely. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Song Abundance in Millets featuring Prime Minister Narendra Modi nominated for a Grammy Award. MSME sector achieves significant milestone by generating over 15 crore employment opportunities. Government advises against calls threatening disconnection of mobile services. MBOS to adopt new curriculum and textbook, says Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma. And 8th National Ayurveda Day observed by IA Ayurvedic Medical College at USTM. That's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Have a good night.